Open Access Helper is a Safari app extension exclusively for use with Safari and macOS. Let me show you how it works. I'm sure you're familiar with the problem. You're searching for a topic of interest and you find the perfect article, but then you're hit by a paywall. Open Access Helper will assist you by finding legal open access copies for the same content. Open Access Helper is a little badge on the top right of your screen. If you hover over it, it will show you the type of version it found, if any, and allow you to navigate there quickly. So let me click this, and here's my PDF. It happens to be the published version, which is a perfect way of avoiding having to pay the paywall. Open Access Helper works on all the web pages where a digital object identifier can be found at the meta tags of the page. We also support a large number of websites where we're scraping the actual content of the page for a digital object identifier. We will also identify not just whether there is an alternative open access version or whether you might already be at a freely accessible version like this one. In this case, the badge turns green. It also shows you which version it is, and as you click on it, it will take you straight to the PDF. Sometimes, however, you will not be so lucky, and you will be faced with a paywall, and we will not have an appropriate option for you to avoid this paywall. In this case, there will be two options. The first one is a blue badge where usually the open access version would be shown. This blue badge will allow you to request this document from the author to be made open access via the great service of Open Access Button. As you click on this, it will take you to openaccessbutton.org, and you will be able to start the process of requesting the document. You might have noticed that there is a second badge on the page, this time at the bottom right. It is the Core Recommender. As you click on Core Recommender, we will quickly go off and request recommendations based on the metadata. We get a nice set of opportunities back, and these are all open access, so as you click into it, you will be able to access the document via the open access service of core.ac.uk. You can learn about Open Access Helper at oahelper.org. If you open the actual app, you will notice that there is a settings screen for you to be had. The settings screen allows you to control how exactly Open Access Helper is going to help you. And you'll notice there's one more section here. There's a section labeled Highlight and Search, and you can select from basesearch.net, coreac.uk, or get the research. Let me show you the purpose of this feature set. So imagine you have reached a citation and you would like to search for a specific text like this title of a research article. You can right-click and then select from the context menu to take your search to core.ac.uk. With a little bit of luck, you will get the appropriate document, as in this case. Open Access Helper is my hobby project, but please contact me with questions, thoughts and suggestions at info@oahelper.org.